Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Take 100 grams of maida, 5 grams of baking powder, a pinch of salt and 10 milliliters of vegetable oil. Mix the ingredients and make a firm dough. For the filling, take 50 milliliters oil and add finely chopped onions. Cook them till golden brown. Add ginger garlic paste and stir. Add puree of 2 tomatoes. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and 2 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix all the ingredients well and let the spices cook. Add 50 grams of green capsicum. Add 100 grams of paneer and season with salt. Mix all the ingredients well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Make a 12-inch round roti of the dough we made earlier and put the paneer filling at the center. Fold the paratha as shown. In a pan, heat the oil on medium flame and add the paratha. Keep flipping on the paratha and cook on low heat to ensure even cooking on both sides. Serve hot and enjoy. Please like, share and subscribe.